In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Steam fatal error, and we'll get it done in about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and solve this issue together. First, make sure to open up your Steam application on your computer. If you're like most of us, you probably have it saved on your desktop or in your applications folder. Once you've got it open, you'll want to log in. You can do this by clicking on the login button, which is usually found at the top corner of the window. Next, you'll need to enter your account name and password in the fields provided. This step ensures that you're gaining access to your personal Steam account. From here, simply click on the sign in button to proceed. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your Steam homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Now what you want to do is look for the Steam menu option. It's typically located on the top left part of the window. Click on it and then select settings from the drop down menu. Inside the settings menu, you'll see multiple tabs. You want to head over to the downloads tab. From here, there's an option to clear the download cache. It's a crucial step as it helps in resetting some background processes and might resolve the fatal error. Go ahead and click on clear download cache. Doing so will restart Steam, so give it a moment for it to close and open up again automatically. If the error persists even after clearing the cache, don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeves. Start by searching for Steam on your desktop again. When you find it, right click on the Steam icon and select Open File Location. This action will lead you to where Steam's files are stored on your computer. Within this folder, right click on the Steam application once more and choose Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here you want to check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode, and also check the Run this program as an administrator option. Once you've done this, make sure to click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now if you're still facing issues, it might be a good idea to open your Task Manager. You can do this by right clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, locate the Steam application in the processes list, select it and then click End Task. This will fully close out Steam, giving you a fresh start when you reopen it. Now go ahead and relaunch Steam. These steps should typically fix the fatal error issue. If none of these workarounds manages to resolve your problem, it might be time to reach out to Steam support for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was a help to you. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with a bit of patience you can usually find a solution.